Knowledge first, trading second. Welcome to Upstocks, where clarity meets confidence. Too many traders get lost in noise, scams, and false promises. At Upstocks, we've built a system where you can never be misled and never be defeated. Our structured courses guide you step by step, from absolute beginner to confident trader. We focus on what truly matters: psychology, discipline, and mastery. Because trading is not just about charts, it's about building professionals. With powerful mentorship, practical learning, interactive quizzes, and smart trading tools, you don't just study, you grow, you practice, and you become unstoppable. And with the Upstocks app, everything is in one place: courses, mentorship, tools, and community. Learning has never been this structured or this simple. At Upstocks, we don't take a stake in your trading. We give you something far more powerful: the knowledge and discipline to succeed on your own. Still confused where to start? Just book a free consultation. Submit the form, and our team will contact you directly. So start with clarity. Start with confidence. Start with Upstocks. Upstocks. Learn smart. Trade smart. Be unstoppable. Download the Upstocks app today and take your first step towards professional trading.